Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video I'm going to show you on how to change the watch face of your Xiaomi Haylou LS05 Solar. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel, and I will be showing you on how to change the watch face of your Xiaomi Haylou LS05. So all we just have to do guys is click the setting here, so you can just scroll down the screen and click on setting. Okay, and from there there's already watch face, and all you just have to do is click the watch face that you like guys. So in our case, let's change this one to this green analog theme. Okay, so as you can see, it's already changed. And guys, if you're asking if you can customize the watch or if you can download the watch faces on the application, sad to say guys, until this time there's no available option for that. So we just have to choose the watch face that is already installed in our Xiaomi Haylou LS05. Okay guys, so it's just a very quick tutorial, and if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.